We're going to do our first look with this outfit. It's a striped tunic with the flowers on it, and we're going to do a very different soft look. We're going to give her a summery look and we'll add a blue liner. So let's start. I'm going to prime her eyes first. Okay, then we're going to contour her eyes with a medium brown shade. I'm going to add a blue liner on her eyes. We're going to add mascara on her lashes. Now we're going to add a lip color and we're going to give her a bright pink lip. We're going to finish off the look by doing the setting spray. So this is our first look.